So here is the manager right now, Ashwat. Huh? No, I was coming to you only. So it is Sita Ram, one of the ex-rider's friends. So he also got his bike resolved. Yeah, I was having some issues, and my issues, they said like it will take some 2-3 hours, and it's better if I come on weekdays, and he'll probably give the time. So deal is pretty good. I bought this camera for 8K, and I got the mic as well, so I didn't have to pay any customs, and I was saved from the customs, and I got the delivered by within 10 days. Very sorry that whenever I see any request come up with something called engine kill switch, how to fix it, guys, I really not sure, because I have fixed this Pulsar one, and I have showed a video which was possible to me. And see, I'll tell you something. This is something related to your electrical changes. Okay, so I think you should not perform it your own, and it's better to go to a mechanic, and you should deal with that, because if you do it something yourself, and if you mess up the electrical part, then you might not know like what will go wrong, and you have to change the entire wirings and all. So I would prefer you do it in yourself, until unless you are very sure. Make a video once I get some. I told my brother he is going to fix the FZ 250 kill switch. Once he is going to fix it, I'll probably make a video on that, how they are fixing it and all, how the electricals they are touching up, and how they are making it only a kill switch, not a ignition switch, but it's a kill switch. So the engine kill switch, how perfectly they will do, I'll post that video once that we are going to do. Till then, that guys, I told as I told that I am helpless, because it's not like that I have something and I can show it easily to you. And yeah, so but I suggest you that you get the parts from the respective services. Like if you are going for the Yamaha one, I think, which is the best one right now for the bike, as it suits the bike, as everything of our bikes is in the left side, and the right side only has a kill switch and the start button. So I think that will be helpful, because we have only the start button on the right side, and that kill switch will be an advantage. So without any major changes, you are making the modifications, that will be pretty cool. So that you can do it. Guys, I also like to highlight some points on the chain issue. While I have seen some posts on that chain issues, I feel like if you are maintaining the chain, if you are making it, keeping it healthy, I don't feel like you will get any major chain issues. Yeah, if any issues with the sprocket or anything else, then you have to, rectify it from the service center. But other than that, I don't think so. If you are leaving it properly, cleaning the chain, and the play is all right, then I don't think so. You will get any chain issue or anything. See, guys, I would tell just like that. I am also using the same bike. I am also I had the chain issues previously, and see things which I didn't knew. I know people, many of them who don't know about all these things, like leaving a chain and all. There are people who knows and they do that, and still they are facing issues. Then might be some issue with the parts or something, or some people are also going with other company sprocket chain like Gixxer or FZs, as they are almost same. So it depends, guys, and the way you ride, the way you change the gears and all of these things matters. I mean, you should have everything comes up when you are having issues. It's not because only one. So I feel like if you are making it, leaving it properly, and in correct intervals or something, or you often check up every day, like if it is drying or not, then it's fine. Because I've seen some people whose chains are almost rusted and in pathetic conditions, and they expect that chain issue should not be there. But how it is possible, man? Because if you have anything like motorbike something, you have to make it service so that it is always in healthy state, and less, you have to spend less. And people who feel like अभी तो चल रही है, चलने दो यार, अभी तो खराब नहीं हुई है, अभी तो ठीक है तो ठीक है कब तक ठीक रहेगा? एक दिन पूरा खराब हो जाएगा और आपको हज़ारों में बिल आएंगे। उससे बेहतर है कि यू स्पेंड करेक्ट इंटरवल में जाओ। कंपनी ने जो रिकमेंड किया है उस रिकमेंडेड टाइम में इंटरवल में जाओ, सर्विसिंग कराओ अपनी बाइक की। तो अब भले ही आप सिटी राइडर हो, हाईवे राइडर हो, वो क्या मैटर करता है? बाइक आपकी अच्छी तभी रहेगी आप अगर बाइक की स्टेट कंडीशंस मेंटेन रखेंगे अपनी बाइक की। So guys, you can see the LED lights all in the bike doing great job, because the stock ones, you see, when we use the stock ones, the effectiveness of the light is really good, and yeah, it doesn't seems to cover every area, whereas these LEDs will cover it. And if you are putting it in high beam, it is quite strong, that the throw will be much higher than this thing stock one, and yeah, you get a better visibility. Previously I made a video on this, and I have seen many people commenting that it's illegal, and also so if it is illegal, then the company factory fitted ones should not come with LEDs. They should be getting the bulbs, regular stock bulbs. LED is nowhere illegal. The thing is the intensity. If it is in correct intensity, if the one which are allowed in the RTO and all, then it's quite fine. If it is not harming others, then why it will be illegal? Yeah, the fog lights, which are again LED fog lights, those are not legal, because you see that those intensities are quite higher, and those fog lights, that name only suggests that they are used to be in fog conditions, and if you use it in normal conditions, then of course it's illegal. So there's no point to argue or discuss on that, because quite a lot of time I have said I commented people saying the same thing, but I won't get the good response after that, so I thought like let it be. That was to see that in Splendor has fixed the fog lamps. see the intensity there, the brightness is quite high, and he can't change that to low beam or something. And what happens here is the person in the opposite direction coming, he will get that effect. I mean, he will be probably giving high beam flash, because it will affect. It's quite high when the lights are meant to be used in highways in extreme conditions or in the extreme fog conditions only. These are not meant to use it anytime. That's the only thing. That's the only difference. See, in my headlight and see the fog lamps, they are more brighter, more powerful, and of course they will be not a legal thing, right? So guys, I don't suggest you to go with those fog lamps, because those are not the one which I told. The one which I told is quite legal and you can use them.